Hello, this is Duke Doom again, and this time I have taken precautions because I don't want to end up like I did yesterday, falling flat on my face because I was so dizzy. No, actually, I don't think I will need this today. Today I'm going to review this, and this is Blair's Death Rain Habanero Pepper Chips. And today I have a new friend with me. This is the gnome, aka Leia, the little Chihuahua dog. Say hello to the audience. Say hello, little one. There we go. So, and what can I say about these chips? The ingredients are potatoes, sunflower oil, sugar, salt, bell peppers, habaneros, garlic powder, spices, natural smoke flavor, and of course these are sprinkled with Blair's Death Rain spice. I'm going to let my friend down. Say goodbye. Goodbye. So, and today I'm prepared. I have a beer which goes well with chips. So let's open this bag of joy, shall we? Ah, they smell delicious. Oh, one thing I must do. This might come awkward for everyone who doesn't live in Sweden, but I have something called snuff up here. Looks like this. Ew. It's grind tobacco which you put under your lip. Kind of the Swedish version of chewing tobacco, perhaps. But it does not go well with chips. So, let's look at these little beauties, all golden and crispy. I hope you can see them. Yeah. So, the review for Blair's Death Rain Habanero Pepper Potato Chips. Cheers. Oh, I love the taste of these. I've actually had these before. And I must say this is the best chips I've ever had in my whole life. On the heat scale, it's, oh my god, hot. But despite my reaction to the after death sauce yesterday, this actually doesn't feel so hot to me. And they are so crispy and extremely tasty. I can eat the whole bag, but I won't because I need to go to the toilet tomorrow, and you know. So, the heat on this little bag, I would say, is a 3 out of 5. Yeah, definitely 3 out of 5. Perhaps a 3.5 out of 5. And the taste, it's 5 out of 5 because these are the best chips I've ever had. And if you live in Sweden, you can order this from extremefood.se. extremefood.se. I think this would be great to have at a party, you know, to test the endurance of some of your less tolerant friends. I could easily eat the whole bag. Recommended for everyone who loves hot and spicy chips or snacks. And I'm going to pause. I want to make an experiment here. I'll be back. Hello, I'm back again, and I'm going to I'm going to do this. That's what I'm going to do. Take some original death sauce and one of the habanero chips. I'm gonna shake this, and I'm gonna put a big slob of sauce on here. My God, I've never done this before actually. That's so great, man. This is gonna be my new combo. The original death sauce and habanero chips. And I haven't even touched the beer yet. But to make the combo complete, beer, death sauce, habanero chips. I'm gonna open this. Drink responsibly, kids. Don't gonna end up like me. Shut up! I'm doing a video here. The dogs heard something outside the house. Okay. The ultimate combo. Oh yeah. Chips. Beer. Yeah. Oh, that's so great. If you have this on a party, beer, sauce, and the chips, you can't go wrong. So that's everything for today. I will see what I will review next. But I'm glad you look and perhaps enjoy my videos. Thank you and have a nice day. Cheers.